peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cos Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 4, guys. I am so excited. We only have, less than 2 weeks away. Fluid Art Experience in Seattle, Washington. Come on down and paint with me, guys. I'm going to be teaching you lots of fun stuff. We are going to learn Swiping 101, landscape swiping. That's shiny. More landscape swiping. Advanced swiping. And lots of things. I am a swiping kind of girl, and I can't wait to get my hands on you guys. I can't wait to teach you any and everything that I've learned along my painting journey. Come on down to Seattle. Come on down and paint with me. Make me happy. See you soon. Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cos Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. You're way up there. I'm way down here. I had to put the camera up high because there will be times, actually most of the time, I'm going to have to turn this canvas this way because I can't swipe the other way, but I wanted you to see it. We are working on a 15 by 30 edge canvas. I love these canvases. I get them at Jerry's Artorama. They're actually on sale right now. They're my favorite canvas. Thank you, Jerry's Artorama. Thank you, The Edge, and thank you for putting them on sale. We're going to be doing a landscape swiping with minimal colors. I'm going to show you how you blend 2 colors and suddenly you have a 3rd color, and then you blend a little more and you have a 4th color. And it's very, very relaxing. Pouring medium today in most of our paints is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, and a healthy squirt of GAC 800. A couple of my paints got a squirt of Floetrol. Floetrol is the European Floetrol. You can get this at Amazon. You can get it in a lot of places. And it is probably 4 times thicker. I apologize, I have a very creaky stool. It's 4 times thicker than our Floetrol, but does all the same things. So I keep it in a little squeeze bottle next to me. And if I'm using a fluid paint, like my Paints Gray today is just so fluid. So mixed it up with my other pouring mediums, added a couple squirts of Floetrol to thicken it up. If you're using a tube paint or something like a Deco Art paint, you can just add additional paint to thicken your paints up. Speaking of paints, let's talk about our paints. I got a couple of base coats here. This right here is Creative Inspirations, and that is their titanium white. This right here is Creative Inspirations, and that is their Paints Gray. And this right here is some slop bucket paint. It's just a bunch of leftover different blues, maybe some pearls from different paintings that I did. I keep it in a covered container and kind of doctor it up a little bit when it comes time to use it. Our other paints are simple but delicious. I hope you guys can hear me way up there. This right here is Deco Art Satin Enamel in the pure white, and it is mixed just with my pouring medium. There's no other paint in there. This right here is Golden Fluids in the Paints Gray. This is the paint that took a little bit of the Floetrol to thicken it up. This right here is a beautiful shade of blue. That is Deco Art Americana, and that is their Winter Blue. Right here is Deco Art again, Extreme Sheen, and that is their Pearl. Deco Art is one of our sponsors at FAE, along with Amsterdam and This Little Piggies, and I thank each and every one of them for always being there for us and supporting us. Thank you, Deco Art. Thank you, Fluid Art Co., this little piggy, and thank you, Amsterdam Paints. This right here, Deco Art Americana, that is their baby blue. And this right here for funsies, maybe to get a little kind of frothy wave action going on. That is Amsterdam Acrylics in the titanium white, and this and only this paint is mixed with Aussie Floetrol. 1 part paint, 3 parts Aussie Floetrol. What else do I have to share with you? Oh, I've taped off some areas. I have taped them because this girl needs a little help with her eyeballs to help determine where my sky will be, where my ocean will be, and then where my beach will be. So that's why we've done that. We're gonna do some flip cupping. We're gonna be doing some swiping. We are gonna be doing a little dancing around because I'm getting ready to put some tunes on for you. Put some tunes on for me. Guys, can't wait to see you in Seattle. See my old friends. Meet some new friends, hang out with my artist friends and some wonderful people that I've met along this girl's painting journey. Come on down to Seattle and paint with me. I promise you, you will not be disappointed.
Days of romantic prose and lilac wine, nights out under the sky, watching stars align. Days of making sweet honey, Melissa, lemon balm. Nights as warm as your breath on my chest, so calm. Now baby, let the summer breeze carry us away. Let the summer breeze carry us away. Baby, to a place where the sun always shines flower. Days of romantic prose and lilac wine. Nights out under the sky, watching stars align. Days of making sweet honey, Melissa. As warm as your breath on my chest, so calm. Now baby, let the summer breeze carry us away. Let the summer breeze carry us away. You think you've seen it all, but I've never seen a smile like yours. How could any man alive not fall and let the forces of love take